Hello students, welcome to my video number 57, and in this video I am going to discuss the question answers of this lesson, When the Fish Laughed. So let us see which questions are given at the back of the lesson. Here we see under A, an extract is given with 3 questions, and under B there are 8 questions, and there are another 2 questions under discuss and write. This we are going to discuss all these. So let us begin with the extract. The extract is, I must rush home and give this news to my father. The first question is, who said these words? These words were said by Amir, the son of Wazir. Second one, what news did he have? The news that he had was that there must have been a man in disguise of a woman inside the queen's palace at the time when the strange incident happened. Who made him realize what had happened? It was Shivani who made him realize what had happened. Shivani, the daughter of the farmer. So this you're going to write in these 3 questions. Now let us see these questions under B. The first question is, why did the queen ask the maids to draw the curtains? The queen asked the maids to draw the curtains because she was very much annoyed and upset at the strange behavior of a fish, and she did not want to see anyone. She wanted to stay alone in her room. So she asked the maids to draw the curtains. Next one, question 2. Do you think that the king was disturbed by the queen's threat to leave the kingdom? Give reasons for your answer. Yes, the king was disturbed by the queen's threat to leave the kingdom because after listening to her, he went out of his mind and he could not decide what to do. So he called Wazir and asked him to solve the matter in a week's time, otherwise he would have him killed. So these all things makes us believe that he was really disturbed by the queen's threat. Next one, why did Bhaskar call Amir a strange man? Now, Bhaskar called Amir a strange man because when he invited him home, he asked him if the beams of their house were strong enough. Such a strange question he asked. This made Bhaskar to call Amir a strange man because he could not make out what he meant with his question. Next one. What gift, that is the fourth one, what gift did Shivani send over to Amir? We know what she sent. She sent a bowl full of porridge, 12 chapatis and a jar full of milk. So these things she had sent to Amir. Now let us see question number 5. How did Shivani realize that the servant had been unfaithful? Shivani realized it. She sent a message through the servant along with the eatables that she sent. She sent a message to Amir through the servant, and the message was, the moon is full, there are 12 months in a year, and the sea is full of water. In reply to that, the man, that is Amir, sent back through the servant a message. He said a message that was to be delivered back to Shivani, and he said that the moon is new, there are 10 months, and the sea is not full at all. Not understanding the meaning of these words, the servant repeated them word for word as he had heard them to his mistress, and thus his theft was discovered. This is how she realized that the servant had been unfaithful. So this you will write down in your answer. Next one, question number 6. The king's character turns out to be both impulsive and generous. Support this statement with examples from the play. So for impulsive behavior, you will write down because the king, without thinking logically about the incident that had occurred at Queen's Palace, he asked the Wazir to solve the matter in a week's time, else he will be facing death penalty. So this was an impulsive behavior of the king. Without giving any logical thinking to the matter, he just announced or just ordered the Wazir to do the needful, otherwise he would be punished. And the generous behavior we get to know at the end. The king rewarded Wazir and his son with lands, gold and jewels. So this shows that he was generous too. Next one, let us see. Number 7. Why does Amir believe that Shivani might be able to help him solve the problem of the fish? Amir believes that Shivani might be able to help him solve the problem of the fish because he found her very intelligent, as she understood the deep and wise meaning of each of his sentences. The first sentence that he had said to his father about that if the beam of his house was strong enough, this thing was understood by Shivani. So Amir was able to make out that Shivani was very much intelligent and she could be the one who could solve the mystery. Next one, let us see. Number 8. Do you find Amir to be intelligent? Justify your answer with examples from the play. When Bhaskar invited him home, he asked him if the beams of the house was strong enough, and further in the story, he told the servant to tell Shivani this. The moon is new, there are 10 months and the sea is not full at all. From this it is clear that Amir was very intelligent and also very wise, because he was able to make out the message sent by Shivani to him through the servant, and he replied in the same hidden words, in the same hidden message he replied back to Shivani. So all these things make it very clear that Amir was very intelligent. And also at the end we find the method that he suggested to the king for finding out the person who was hiding in the palace in disguise of a woman. All this was, the method was selected by or decided by Amir. So these things justify that he is an intelligent man. So this is what you all are going to write in these questions. And what we see here, discuss and write is given. The first one, why do you think the man was hiding in the Queen's palace as a woman? Could he have been the spy of a rival kingdom? Discuss in class. So this question I want you to come to the answer yourself. Second one, was Amir's method of finding the man hidden in Queen's palace a good one? Why or why not? Discuss and find another possible way to solve this problem. So this is something you are going to write. This discuss in class is given, but you are actually going to write it down in the copy. And this also you will be finding another possible way, like he suggested or he planned the method of jumping over a pit, because a woman could not do it, but if there is a man, he would be able to do it. So this kind of another method you will have to write down that could be possible to apply in such situation. So these two I expect you to complete yourself in the copy. So let us now see what you are going to what all you're going to write in the copy. First, of course, the name of the lesson, When the Fish Laughed. And I feel if you note down these characters in the play in your copy as well, it will be very much easy for you to remember the characters and also the different relations among them. So this I feel you must write down in the copy, the characters in the play, and then you will just draw a fish, a laughing fish. That would be sufficient and would look nice and presentable in the copy as a part of art integrated work. So that you will be going to draw a fish, a laughing fish. Then after that you will write a very short summary of the lesson, very short summary of the lesson. Then word meanings given here, and then the question answers that we have discussed. So all these for now. Take care everybody, and God bless you all.